Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Kia Picanto 2008 to 2011? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2008 to 2011 Kia Picanto protects key engine, lighting, and electrical circuits. It features an organized layout of fuses and relays for easy identification, inspection, and quick replacement when needed. The engine compartment subfuse panel, diesel only, in the 2008 to 2011 Kia Picanto protects diesel-specific systems like glow plugs and fuel management circuits. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2008 to 2011 Kia Picanto protects interior circuits such as dashboard, audio, lighting, and climate controls. It has an organized layout for easy identification, inspection, and quick fuse replacement. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.